Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make date juice, a wonderfully sweet and healthy drink. This guide will help you create a delicious beverage packed with natural goodness. Date juice is a fantastic source of essential nutrients, dietary fiber, and beneficial antioxidants. It's a simple process, and by the end, you'll have a refreshing drink that's perfect for any time of day. Let's get started on this easy and rewarding recipe. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need approximately 1 cup of pitted dates. Medjool dates are excellent for their soft texture and rich, caramel-like flavor. Next, place your pitted dates into a bowl and cover them with about 2 cups of hot water. Let them soak for roughly 10 minutes. This crucial step softens the dates, making them much easier to blend into a perfectly smooth juice. It truly makes a difference in the final consistency. Next, it's time to customize your survey's appearance. You can personalize it with your brand's colors and add a logo or other images to maintain a consistent visual identity. MailChimp provides options to adjust fonts and background colors, making your survey visually appealing. Don't forget to configure the confirmation message that respondents will see after they submit their answers, providing a clear thank you or next steps. For an exceptionally smooth juice, you can strain the blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth to remove any remaining pulp. Once strained, your delicious date juice is ready to be served. It's best enjoyed immediately and chilled. If you have any leftovers, simply pour the juice into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 3 days, ready for you to enjoy whenever you like.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.